HP quality. Yeah. This isn't even my laptop. And look at that. It's awful. Like HP hinge problem. Pins save them to experts. Look at that. Wonder if there's any crap. Hinges need to be frickin'. Look at that. Look at this. 2001 Dell laptop. Completely fine. That's what? I don't even know what year this. Like 2018. It's not even my laptop. HP laptop thing. And the hinge is completely snapped. I don't even know how this can happen. But there you go. And I don't even know if this thing will work. Doesn't even turn on. Light. Nothing like that. HP quality. Hinge problem. If you want to see it close, here you go. Nice HP. Good design. It's like onion. It peels. There's layers of it. Look at that. It makes me cry every time I see HP. Stupid mom's laptop with HP. Fantastic.